Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the NET and CHash workloads installed. Open Visual Studio and choose New Project, pick Console, WPF, or ASP, NET Core depending on your goal. Name the project, set the folder, and choose the target framework, for example, Net 7. Once done, Visual Studio scaffolds files and opens program. CS or Startup. Make sure to enable Git if you want version control. Otherwise, proceed to the editor where your first CHash file is ready to edit. You now write and refine code using IntelliSense and code snippets to speed typing. Once you add logic, build the solution with Control plus Shift plus B to reveal compile errors and warnings, fix them systematically. Next, run the debugger by pressing F5. Set breakpoints on important lines, use step over and step into to inspect execution, and open watch or locals windows to observe variables. Make incremental changes, rebuild, and repeat until behavior matches expectations, because small, testable iterations reduce bugs and clarify. You finish by preparing the app for deployment. Open Publish, choose a target like Folder, IIS, Azure, or Docker, and follow the profile steps. Switch configurations between debug and release, update NuGet packages, and optimize settings for runtime. If something fails, first clean and rebuild the solution, then inspect the output and error list for precise messages. If debugging stalls, restart Visual Studio and delete bin/obj folders. That often clears stale builds. Finally, run the published artifact to verify the deployed behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.